Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and refund a purchase on Xbox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would like to do first is simply gonna go to your Chrome browser on your mobile phone and type in xbox.com, which will land you on this interface here in this Microsoft Xbox, and then you're gonna get logged in. Okay, this is the process. Once you are logged in, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner and tap on this support option given, and then you're gonna go ahead, tap on this drop down menu beside the support and tap on this option called account and billing, and tap on this Microsoft Store. Simply choose it at Microsoft Store and billing, and this will lead you to the option called return and refunds. Go ahead, tap on this returns and refunds, and afterwards what you're going to do, you can, if it's a subscription or hardware, you're going to choose accordingly. If it's a subscription, you can go ahead, tap on this start. If it's hardware, you're going to go ahead, tap on this open order history. Right, this will lead you to the history that you have. You can see we haven't purchased anything yet. Once you have found that particular product over here, you're gonna go ahead, tap on, and there's a refund option that will be given beside it. You're gonna go tap on it. It will ask for you to give information regarding it, the payment method, how you would like to get refunded regarding. Then you're gonna, once you have entered all of the information, it will ask then you will reconfirm it and you will be able to get yourself the refund. So simply going to the support section and applying for the refund would be it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.